Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm Nidhi and I'm back with another haul before the year ends because Purple decided to send me this heavy box filled of some of their new launches. So let's see what all do we have in here, and I have one more box arriving today but I haven't received it till now. But if I do receive this in between filming, then surely I would include those two products as well. Otherwise I would have them linked in the description box. So let's start with what all do we have in here. Okay, so on the top I do see some of their new launches in their body care line. So firstly I have from Alps Goodness these two body lotions. So these are known as their refreshing gel body lotions. So this one is the cucumber and vitamin E variant, while this is the rose and squalane hydrating gel body lotion. Both of these bottles are 300 ml each and they retail for 250, but obviously you can grab these on discount. After that I'm having this big bottle from Good Vibes. This is their aloe vera soothing gel body lotion. This does not have any parabens or mineral oil in it, and this does contain 500 ml. आधा लीटर की बॉटल है, इतनी बड़ी, and it retails for 465 rupees. And yeah, that's all that is there. It also has squalane as one of their ingredients. So I did check the ingredient list. Apart from the perfume, all other ingredients were really good. So yeah, that was the gel body lotion from Good Vibes. So I forgot to mention this, that I will be hosting a giveaway for y'all because all of these items I cannot use it, and so I'll be giving it away to 2 lucky winners. So the rules are very simple. You just have to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram. It's that simple. Like this video and leave a comment once you've done following all the rules, and that's it. I would choose a lucky winner based on random comment generator. So it's completely random. Everyone gets an equal opportunity to win this. So don't forget, do participate. Just follow the rules, subscribe, like this video, comment and follow me on my Instagram. That's it. You are entered and you can win one of this. So I'll be choosing 2 lucky winners, as I said. This one I'm keeping for myself. This is the Vayam Ayurveda 100% pure olive oil. This is cold pressed oil, and this is one, and this does contain 100 ml of product and retails just for rupees 115. I am using the Good Vibes olive oil which I got in my previous haul, and it is so good. It just makes my hair like, you know, super soft post shampooing. It just feels as if I had some spa or something. But yeah, it feels really nice on my hair, and so I think I would love this oil too. Then from Vayam Ayurveda I'm also having their Kumkumadi Ultimate Radiance Face Cream with saffron, manjitha and turmeric extract. Manjitha or manjitha, I don't really know. So that does contain 30 grams of product and retails for 275 rupees, and that is how it looks like. Okay, so I've separated all of the products like this. So this will be giveaway winner 1 who would get all of these products. So let me quickly show to you all what all do we have in here. So from Vayam Ayurveda I also got their Haldi and Chandan Soothing Pack. Turmeric powder and sandalwood powder does contain 40 grams of product and retails for 200 rupees, and that is how pretty the packaging is. So that is the first thing in the giveaway winner 1's prize. And then we have 2 products from Alps Goodness. The first one is their sandalwood face wash, and this does contain 100 ml of product, and this retails for just 99 rupees, and that is how it looks like. And then from Alps Goodness we have their sandalwood face creme, and this contains 30 grams of product, and yeah, that would also be included in the giveaway winners gift. So next I also have this Purple Keep Calm and Exfoliate charcoal sheet mask, and this is made up of 100% natural bamboo charcoal fiber. I do not use sheet mask. I have 2 or 3 from Sugar as well. They are just lying just like that. I don't really use them, and so I think this would be useful to someone who receives this. And yeah, so that is the next gift item. And then I have a serum from Purple in this gift as well. This is the Skin Radiance Serum with mulberry and tea tree oil. It contains 20 grams of product, and this one retails for 275 rupees, and that is how it looks like. It does have ingredients like tea tree oil, mulberry extract, licorice extract, glycolic acid, lactic acid, salicylic acid, and yeah, that's all. So I think this would be useful to someone of you. So those are the 5 products for giveaway winner number 1. Moving to giveaway winner number 2 products. Sandalwood powder from Albs Goodness. This contains 50 grams of product, and I think this would be so multi-purpose to use for your DIYs, or even at your home you can use it. So this is how it looks like. And then I'm having 4 more products. So firstly, I'm having the Derm Doc Anti-Acne Face Wash. It contains 120 ml of product. It does have salicylic acid and retails for 245 rupees. So that is also included in the giveaway. And then I'm having the Derm Doc Anti-Acne Face Serum with salicylic acid. Contains 10 ml of product and retails for 199 rupees. Again, this does have salicylic acid, aloe vera juice, and some good ingredients like that. I am personally not keeping this because I think this all has rose water and rose extracts, while I am allergic to roses and it doesn't really go well with my skin, and so I'm not using this. So the one who enjoys rose or rose extracts might enjoy this way more. And then I'm having this Derm Doc Damage Recovery Night Cream with kojic acid. Contains 60 grams and retails for 225 rupees. And also I already have a lot of actives already included in my skincare routine that I do not want to disturb my skincare routine whatsoever, and so I'm not really testing with my skincare. And so now that I have it all, it's better someone who enjoys it more than me should get these, and so I'm giving this in a giveaway. And then lastly, I'm also having this small nail paint from Stay Quirky. It's a beautiful shimmery orangish color, and this retails for 70 rupees in the shade number 8 Marigold. And yeah, that's a beautiful shade indeed. So those are all the items for giveaway winner number 2. Rules are very simple. Just subscribe, follow me on my Instagram, like this video, and comment in the description. Okay, how would you comment in the description? And comment in the comment section that you followed all the rules, and that's it. 2 lucky winners would be selected at random very soon. I haven't yet decided the date. Okay, I'm having this Albs Goodness Rose Water. It helps to hydrate the skin, refresh the skin, and tone the skin. Contains 200 ml of product for 215 only. So I am still skeptical about opening this product or no, or maybe I'll give it to someone who likes using rose water, because as I said, I do not use anything which contains rose on my skin, but I love to apply those cotton balls, you know, just damp with rose water on my eyes. It feels so relaxing, but in the winter season I don't want to do that because it's already very cold out here. So yeah, I'll see what to do with this, but I also have this bottle. I really like the packaging though. And I'm having another good product from Albs Goodness. It is the Tea Tree Essential Oil, and it has 10 ml of product, and this one retails for 135, I think. Yeah, and that is how it looks like. I love using tea tree oil, especially mixed with my hair oil, to combat dandruff. I'm having excessive dandruff issue. It's just like, I just don't know how to get rid of it. I've tried all of these medicated shampoos, that ketoconazole and everything, just nothing works. This is like a temporary solution, but it just keeps coming. I'm just fed up. So yeah, if you know anything, please let me know. But yeah, that was the tea tree oil. I'm definitely keeping this one. From Stay Quirky, I'm having their new launch. So this is their translucent powder, and that is the outer packaging. This contains 8 grams of product and retails for 349 rupees, and that is how the packaging of the powder. That is the powder. It's very soft, finely milled. It's a translucent powder, so it doesn't really add any color or alter color of your base. So that is the translucent powder. Definitely I'll be using this in some of my upcoming tutorials. And then I have the Purplle Be Your Own BFF Compact. This has 9 gram of product, retails for $199 only, and the prices are actually just steal prices, and always you find them on even more discounted rates on Purplle. Definitely you can check all of these products out. I would have them linked in the description box. And that is how the shade looks like. This is in the shade 3 Beige Self Care. I'll quickly swatch it right here. So that is the shade. Maybe that would work for me. Let's see. Then from Purplle, I'm having their Through Thick and Thin Volumizing Mascara. Retails for 345 rupees. Contains 8 ml of product. And let's open this one up. Is the packaging of the mascara, and that is how the wand looks like. I like the fact that it does not have very runny kind of formula. It's very thick and condensed. Basically that's how I like my mascaras to be, and yeah, I feel like this would be a good one. I'm having this dual pack of kajal pencils. I think, yeah, these are the Stay Quirky Badass Kajal. I've heard a lot about these. So you get 2 for 215 rupees, and that is how the packaging looks like. And I'm having so many nail paints. Like, Purplle is totally spoiling me, but so many nail paints. Definitely these are gonna be going in some of the future giveaways very soon. I'll be keeping just, I think, 3 or 4 of these. So let's start. Stay Quirky nail polish in the shade 03 White Gold, and it's a very beautiful sparkling shimmery kind of. I have the NYBay nail lacquer. This is in the shade White Chocolate 07. So these are basically those textured nail paints. And I loved this nude color from Stay Quirky. This is in the shade Tempting 1, Sending You Nudes. So that's the shade name. And yeah, that's how beautiful the shade is. And this one retails for just rupees 50, and that's such a beautiful color. It is like Give Me Mocha in a nail paint form. It's that pretty, right? And then I'm having this Asfa Halal nail paint, and this is again priced at 75 rupees, and the shade is Berry Nude 006. Again, a very beautiful pink toned brown. Will look gorgeous for everyday basis. I loved this color. Again, this is somewhat like Give Me Mocha in a nail paint form. Loved it. 3 more shades from the crumble kind of nail paints from NYBay. So this one is in shade number 02 Vanilla. So it's basically a pista green kind of shade. And this one is 01 Ruby Chocolate. This is like a baby pink color. And this one is 04 Vanilla Blueberry. This is slightly darker pink hue. And I'm having 2 more of the shimmery ones. This one is in the shade Raw Gold. Perfect jum gold kind of shade. Solid Gold 01. This is more of a green gold color. I'd also ordered the Milani eyeshadow palette and the LA Girl concealer, but I haven't received my package yet. If I do, I would add a clip. Otherwise, I would have them linked in the description. Those were all of the products that I was sent from Purplle. Thank you so much. And yeah, I'm really grateful and thankful to each and every one of my Trend fam for being a part of my journey throughout this tough year 2020. We are almost towards the end, but I'm so happy that we'll be out of it, and maybe soon I'll be announcing some good things with you all, and we'll be starting another fresh new year together. And if you like this video, then hit that like button and do subscribe to join Nidhi's Trend fam, and do participate in the giveaway. यार क्या जाता है participate करने में? It's very easy. I know you guys already follow almost all of the rules, right? So please do participate. It's random chance for any 2 lucky winners of you. And yes, with that being said, I'll wrap up for today's video. You can find the product links in the description box to whatever you like. And yeah, I'll meet you soon next year. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.